Raise issues or orders against my brother. He's my senior in profession. He's also the chair of a committee I attend to very odiously, and his knowledge of law is impeccable. But I think I want to discuss with him if he may be misleading the honorable members present on a point of law. If you look at the bill of Honorable Kengara, he is seeking to establish a body that, a mandate which gives policy to the NTCA. I think that is the point. Now, it is that mandate which is the mandate of NTCA under the law as it exists. So it's not a question of regulations. It is a question of the law exists in the same manner and in the same way in which the amendment is proposing. The component of regulation is a subsidiary issue to this debate. The component of regulation came about because the committee noted that although there is law, but there is no sufficient subsidiary legislation or regulations that can accompany that law for enforcement. So, Madam Speaker, could the Honorable Member for Tharaka qualify his issues on fact and law and review his statement to the fact that we are here, Honorable Kengara is actually bringing up the issue of regulations rather than the law, so that members should not be misled to think that there is no law and we are talking about regulations. He is very persuasive, and because of the position he shares, his speech may sway the House. And then people will think that really we are just uplifting regulations to be law. Yet there is law, and with a lot of respect, we are only saying that the law has already given the mandate to NTCA, the policy of standardization, the policy of enforcement. So the question is how to enforce that with the regulations. Madam Speaker, I submit.
Very well.